You'll need a clean cloth or towel, a Torx number 10 screwdriver, a container to hold the battery cover screws, and a new Allora 2 battery. Turn off the Allora 2 with the on-off key. Make sure the Allora 2 is not in standby mode. Unplug the Allora 2. You'll need to turn the Allora 2 over to access the battery compartment. Remove the ADI wireless module if installed. Using the Torx number 10 screwdriver, remove the 4 Torx number 10 battery cover screws and put them in the container for safekeeping. Lift off the battery cover and remove the internal battery by pulling on the ribbon cable on the left-hand side of the battery. This is the connector side of the internal battery. Install the new internal battery. Fold over the ribbon cable on the left-hand side of the new battery. Put back on the battery cover. Using the Torx number 10 screwdriver, reinstall the 4 Torx number 10 battery cover screws. Reinstall the ADI wireless module previously installed. Turn over the Allora 2.